sea. From the fishing boats at Dingle to the shores at Dunedee, I miss the River Shannon and the folks at Skibbereen, the moorlands and the meadows with their 40 shades of green. But most of all, I miss a girl in Tipperary town, and most of all, I miss her lips as soft as eiderdown. Again, I want to see and do the things we've done and seen, with the breeze as sweet as Shalimar and there's 40 shades of green. I wish that I could spend an hour at Dublin's turn and serve. I'd love to watch the farmers drain the bogs and spade the turf, to see again the patches of the straw the women glean. I'd walk from Cork to Larne to see those 40 shades of green. But most of all, I miss a girl in Tipperary town, and most of all, I miss her lips as soft as eiderdown. Again, I want to see and do the things we've done and seen, with the breeze as sweet as Shalimar and there's 40 shades of green. With the breeze as sweet as Shalimar and there's 40 shades of green. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, riding early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world, mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Made to feel the way that every child should. Sit and listen, my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Hey porter, would you tell me the time? How much longer will it be till we cross that Mason-Dixon line? At daylight, will you tell that engineer to slow it down? Or better still, just stop the train, 'cause I wanna look around. Hey porter, what time did you say? How much longer will it be till I can see the light of day? When we hit Dixie, will you tell that engineer to ring his bell? And ask everybody that ain't asleep to stand right up and yell. Hey porter, it's getting light outside. This old train is a puffin' smoke and I have to strain my eyes. But ask that engineer if he would blow his whistle, please, 'cause I smell frost and cotton leaves and I feel that southern breeze.